Nano Babo Kabalen, kamusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Where in Pampanga. For today's vlog, we would like to thank Daily Breads and Pastries by Mercy's. Grabe! Sobrang andami nito, guys! Yeah, once again, Ma'am Mercy, we would like to thank you for being generous to us. Let's get into it! I wanna taste this now! So there you have it, guys. Again, thank you so much for being with me in this vlog, and maraming salamat po Daily Breads and Pastries for sending us these amazing deliveries. So what an inspirational story coming from Ma'am Mercy, no? She started, just baking for her family, for her kids, for her friends, until passion and hobby came out to be, a legitimate business such as this. So for those of you who are just starting, yung pag-umpisa po ay mahirap, pero just like her, she was able to come up with these amazing baked goodies. So I want to start introducing you guys with the food on our table. With this blueberry cheesecake is just 850 pesos. Grabe! Look at the thickness of the cheesecake. You have your blueberry jam on top, yung parang pinaka-crust natin for the cake. I want to start with this one. Ooh, oh man. Oh, just like I always say, kapag ganito po yung pagkain, presented very well, it's almost na you don't wanna destroy it. Pero, we gotta try them. Wow. Wow, super. I like it. Wow. What a lovely blueberry jam on top. And then yung cream cheese natin, it's not too, sour. Yun yung gusto ko sa mga cream cheese, although, syempre, iba-iba yung mga preferences natin. Pero para sa akin, ganun kasi yung lasa ng hindi nakakasawang cream cheese. That's for me, guys. Pero, it's up to you. Depende rin sa panlasa ninyo. So, grabe, this one is really, really heavenly and so satisfying. Oh, wow. Wow! Alright, so next, I want to introduce you guys sa mga Ube Pandesal. So, they have two variants. So, the first one is yung the classic cheese desal, which is, you have your pandesal and then it has a, cheese filling. And then the other one is cheese desal with halaya. Alright, so ito po yung kanilang cheese desal with halaya. I think yung halaya jam natin or yung filling natin is mixed with the cheese. Let's taste it. Cheese and the halaya filling, so generous, sobrang ang dami ng palaman. But I recommend when you eat this is you partner it with a hot coffee or hot chocolate. Pero grabe, ang sarap. So next I want to introduce to you guys is yung kanilang mga cinnamon rolls. Now they have two boxes that they sent us. One is the classic cinnamon rolls, just 170 pesos. Now the other box naman is assorted, which is 220 pesos. Now additional 50 pesos to get to taste 5 more flavors. They look really premium para sa akin, no? So let's try the classic. Wow, grabe. For a size like this, no, it is actually heavy. So this is the classic plain cinnamon roll. Let's taste it. Oh wow, I was actually speechless for a moment. Ang sarap, grabe. You can compare it with the other commercialized mga cinnamon rolls. On top of the cinnamon roll, it has thick frosting. Plus yung cinnamon natin, it is so, overpower. Plus, you have your raisins, so I like raisins. Let's move on. This is their brownies. Not the typical dry brownie. It is actually moist in the inside. Wow! You gotta check this out, guys. Super duper moist. It's like a moist cake na, actually. Para sa akin, the chocolate is a little bit bitter, but I guess that's how dark chocolate should be, no? So, and then I wanna show you guys another, classic merienda sa mga Pilipino. So this classic Ensaymada is just 150 per box, 6 pieces. For a size like this, it is actually heavy. And then, top it with loads and loads of cheese. Wow, I can, remember my childhood. Every afternoon, sigurado na yung Ensaymada with an orange juice or probably soft drinks plus Ensaymada. Top it all off. Super duper great afternoon. Now, let's talk about their banana loaf. So, meron po silang 3 banana loaf they sent us. Pero in their menu, they have a plain banana loaf. Meron din silang cream cheese swirl, nuts and raisin. They also have walnuts, dark chocolate, and crunch. All of the flavored ones are 120. Yung plain naman natin is just 100 pesos. I wanna taste this one. I think this is their cream cheese swirl. Oh yeah. Na-miss ko tuloy yung hot coffee ko. Mas masarap to ng may hot coffee. I wanna introduce to you these are mini cheesecakes. And then on top we have fresh red strawberries. Ang sarap. Okay, I wanna taste first yung strawberry natin. Oh wow, I super duper like strawberries. Okay, let's taste them. I think these are their version of the mini cakes, no? So soft, so delicate. Wow. Sarap talaga ng cream cheese nila. I'm actually super impressed. And at the same time, I can't believe na ganito kasarap ang lasa ng mga, mga cakes ni Ma'am Mercy. Meron silang kakaibang lasa na talagang ang sarap. And then lastly guys, I want to introduce to you is their Basque. These cheesecakes are becoming popular. Ito yung mga walang, crust. All the way from top to bottom are cheesecakes. And yung mga iba naman, so they have some variations which they burn it at the top. Yeah. I'm gonna taste this later on with my wife because I want to make sure that we share it especially. But guys, if you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure to check out the fan page of Daily Breads and Pastries. Let's give Ma'am Mercy a like and follow her page as well para maging updated po tayo dun sa mga cakes and mga pastries na kanyang sinaserve. So there you have it guys. Thanks so much for watching. We're in Pampanga and God bless us all. Until next time, I hope to see you in the next video. Peace. Bye-bye.